everyone. Let us see some interesting psychological facts about humans. What is the first thing people notice about you? Subconsciously, your footwear is the first thing that people notice when they see you. So, even if you're well dressed, kindly check out your footwear. How do we know whether a person likes you? When some funny talk is going on in a group, a person who makes eye contact with you while laughing is the person who might possibly like you or gets attracted by you. How to check the status of your mental ability if you're facing a big problem? If you don't discuss or reveal your problems to anyone, it means that your mental ability is stronger and you're the only person to handle your problems a better way. Who is the reason for your happiness or pain? The very last person on your mind before you fall asleep is actually the one for your happiness nor your pain. In which part of your life stress level decreases? People between the ages of 18 and 33 are the most stressed ones, whereas after the age of 33, their stress level tends to decrease because of their maturity and exposure. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos like this.